I've actually had the good fortune of doing some work in the UK, and they have much more of a design build process when it comes to implementing projects, in my experience, particularly large scale public projects. And here in the US, we take much more of a design bid build approach. And I think it forces a lot of extra cost into the process that doesn't need to be there. So my question is really, I think we have a lot of technological solutions here as far as panelized systems and cladding mechanisms and insulating systems that can fix the technical problems of the buildings. But I think the other part of the process that's broken is how we actually contract and deliver these projects. Has there been any discussion or thought about fixing a process that I think is broken itself in delivering cost-effective solutions?
We did exactly that. I mean, we designed the building as consultants, and we have a thing called OJU in the UK, which is the Journal of the European Union. So any building contract that's publicly funded has to be advertised across the whole of the EU. So them's the rules. And so we designed the building, we designed the system up to a stage of tender, and then it goes out to contract. I mean, it's very rarely that you actually get, a French contractor coming to the UK wanting to do it, but that we have to do that. And they come in with a fixed price, and then the city councils hold them to that price, and we've then been appointed as their architect to kind of make sure that we can design the very finite detail to stick within that price. It doesn't give you that ability to have a contractor's input during the earlier design phase, which I think would be good, to have the buildability expertise around the table, but I guess that's for us to learn from projects and implement that from the beginning. I think there probably are better ways to do it, but it's all to do with being fair and competitive across the whole of the European Union.